Anna, let's start with a mystery. If I give you a seed, but you only water it once a month, what happens?
Well, Leo, that's easy. The seed will never grow. It will just sit in the dirt and stay small.
Exactly. And that is why most people fail at English. They treat it like a plant they forget to water. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our special 2026 kickoff episode. I am your host, Leo, and today I have the wonderful Anna with me.
Hello, Leo, and hello to all our listeners out there. I am so happy to be here to talk about the future. 2026 is going to be a big year.
It really is. People always ask, Leo, how do I actually learn English this year? They start in January with so much energy, but by March, they are back on the sofa watching TV in their own language.
It's the January trap, isn't it? But today, we're going to build a real plan, a plan that actually works for beginners.
So, Anna, let's be honest. Is English easy? Because many people on the internet say you can learn it in 3 days while you sleep.
I wish that was true, Leo. If I could learn a language while sleeping, I would speak 10 languages by now. But no, let's be real with our listeners. To learn English, you must work. You need dedication.
Dedication. That's a strong word. It sounds like a lot of heavy lifting.
It just means you make English a priority. You have to decide that English is important for your life. In 2026, you can't just try. You have to say, I will do this.
But does that mean I have to study for 5 hours every day? Because I have a job, a dog, and I really like to nap.
No, please don't study for 5 hours. You will hate it. You will get tired and you will stop. The secret isn't how much, it's how often.
Okay, so if 5 hours is too much, what is the magic number?
The magic number is every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even Sunday.
Even Sunday? But Sunday is for pancakes and football.
Even then, think of it like food. If you eat a giant meal on Monday, but you don't eat anything on Tuesday or Wednesday, you will be very hungry and weak. Your brain is the same. It needs to eat English every single day.
So maybe just 20 minutes?
Yes, 20 or 30 minutes is perfect. Just don't skip a day. Consistency is the key to the castle. If you are consistent, your brain starts to think, oh, this English thing is important. I should remember these words.
I like that. I can give 20 minutes. I spend more time than that looking for my car keys. So in those 20 minutes, what should I do? Should I just stare at a grammar book and cry?
Please don't cry. Start with listening. Listening is number one. Listen to podcasts, stories, or music. Just let the sounds go into your ears. It helps your brain understand the rhythm of English.
But I want to speak. I don't want to just be a professional listener.
Then you must be active. Here is my favorite tip for beginners. Talk to yourself.
People will think I'm crazy, Anna.
Let them think that. When you're alone in your room or in the shower, speak out loud. Don't just think the words, say them. If you learn a new word like dedication, say it 5 times. Shout it.
I am dedicated. Like that?
Exactly. It helps your mouth muscles. Speaking is like a sport for your face. You have to practice the movements.
I see you brought something with you today, Anna. Is that a notebook?
You know me so well. I love notebooks. For 2026, I want every listener to buy a beautiful new notebook.
What do we do with it? Draw pictures of cats?
You can draw cats if you want, but you must write down 5 new words every day. Just 5.
5 seems small.
Is that enough?
Let's do the math, Leo. 5 words a day, 365 days a year, that is more than 1,800 words. With 1,800 words, you can have a conversation about almost anything.
Wow. Small steps, but a huge mountain.
Yes, write them down, read them before bed, and use them the next day. It's a simple habit that changes everything.
Okay, so we work hard, we listen, we talk to ourselves, and we write in notebooks. But what if I'm tired? What if I have a bad day?
This is very important. You are a human, Leo. You are not a robot.
Beep, boop. I want to learn English.
Well, robots don't need sleep, but you do. Your brain needs rest to organize what you learned. If you're stressed or sad, you won't learn well.
So taking a nap is actually part of my study plan? This is the best news ever.
Yes, go for a walk, spend time with your family, laugh with your friends. A happy brain is a hungry brain. You need a balance between hard work and a good life.
Let's talk about March. Everyone is excited in January, but in March it gets cold or work gets busy and people want to give up. How do we stay brave?
You have to remember your why. Why do you want to learn English? Close your eyes and imagine yourself in December 2026.
Okay, I'm imagining. I'm at an airport. I'm talking to someone from London. I'm not nervous. I'm smiling.
That is a beautiful goal. Hold on to that image when things get hard. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes.
I hate mistakes. I feel silly when I say the wrong word.
Don't be afraid. Making a mistake means you're trying. In 2026, I want you to make 1,000 mistakes. If you make mistakes, you're learning. If you're perfect, you aren't growing.
So if I say I eated an apple instead of I ate an apple, should I celebrate?
Yes, because you spoke. Just fix it next time and keep going. Never give up. Even if you miss one day, just start again the next morning. No guilt, just progress.
This is a solid plan, Anna. Let's recap for our friends listening at home.
Step 1, hard work. It's not magic, it's a choice. Be dedicated.
Step 2, every day. 20 minutes of English is better than 0 minutes. Keep the English fire burning.
Step 3, be active. Listen to podcasts, talk out loud to your mirror, and use your voice.
Step 4, the notebook. 5 words a day. Small steps lead to 1,800 words by the end of the year.
And finally, balance and bravery. Rest your brain, enjoy your life, and don't be afraid of mistakes.
2026 is going to be the year we all finally speak English. I can feel it.
I believe in you all. You have the tools, now you just have to start.
Thank you so much, Anna. This was so helpful. And to our listeners, we want to hear from you. What is your plan for 2026? Are you going to buy a notebook? Are you going to talk to your cat in English?
Tell us in the comments. Writing your plan is the very first step of your journey.
We will be here every week to help you. We are your partners in this. So hit that subscribe button and let's do this together.
Study hard, have fun, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you in 2026.
Goodbye.